Yes, welcome back to the Mad Graphics Code. Just today I'm going to break down the advanced game UI design in graphics code. Just this is the game engine. This is all files containing our game engine. This is the function. This is the main of our game engine. This is the model. This model file to help to load the external models, just like loading the mesh model, like CRUD file or object models, and so more models. For mesh models, this class will load mesh models, this class, these ones. And so this simple library was designed to import external 3D models. There is another class here. There's another class here. Let's go to the top of the class. So this is another class. So just this class too. This class card model. This will load the card objectives, card files, and so to more many is this card file. So another things I can tell you is that this is the engine or CPP. This direct object, this function direct object will help us how can direct the object in our dream development. How can you direct one object? How can you direct a huge scene, or how can you make another objectives? So currently when I'm here, let's try to extrude our dream engine model. Let's make new file here. Let's make another terminal here. Let's make this terminal. Okay. Maybe let's use this terminal for white color. Is maybe let's for background color. Let's use solid color. Yes, nice one. This was the better one. Color. Okay. Solid color. Where is background color? Let's use white for background color. Let's use white. Yeah. White. Okay. Test color. No, this test color. Let's use black. Let's use black test color straight. Yes, and brown color close. Let's back to this terminal, but still is waiting to open. Let's control new terminal, but I don't know why the terminal is. Oh, sorry. Let's edit this terminal. Means the word was too much background. It's about solid color, transparent. Okay, let's close it here. Yes. Let's use this terminal. Nice one. Let's use this terminal for its color. Let's find let's extrude our engine. Yeah. When the engine is currently executing, let's back to our terminal. Let's still add this terminal because of the color was not shown good. Color background color. Where is built-in background color? Text color, right? No, background transparent. Yes. Solid color. Okay. Colors. Text color. Let's use what color? Oh no, this color. Yes, right. Background. Let's use what color? Let's close. Yes. As you see, our terminal was white, so let's back to our dream engine code. Yes, this is our executable engine. As you see, this is the main engine window. This is the main engine window. Just this window, it will help us how can you control feed file. As you see, this is the mouse navigations. So this, let's import one model. Just export one model. But before I import the model, let me explain you this asset. This asset buttons was designed to import built-in game engine asset. Apologies. This is here. This is the asset library, as you see. But let's use our architecture model, huge model, instead of using this model. Let's find one model. Let's port one model. Open model. Open engine.h. Okay. Let's port the pass.die. Let's port this model. It was better one too. Let's wait our model import. The model was imported, as you see. The model was imported, but this is the rotations of the model. So the functions I was added to this game engine. This the model was imported, as you see. Just I was added another functions for real time of selecting the texture. Suppose this model was imported. Let's select this surface. Sorry, let's mouse this window here. Suppose let's select this surface. Let's select this surface. Let's add the texture. As you see, there is one here was added, the advanced texture library, just for architects and engineers who want to make good rendering can use this texture. Let's use this blitz. As you see, the blitz was added, but another function was added. How can you control your texture scale? And suppose if I was added the blitz, as you see, you can increase the texture size or decrease the texture size, as you see. Just I am still explaining in few words for this game engine. Another thing is I can tell you that's the sky configurations. As you see, we have a universe of sky. Let's rotate model. We have this universe of sky, but we have another space of the sky. As you see, this one was black color. You can configure your color in order to make match with any color you want for making your width be perfect. You can use this color. As you see, this is how the model was looking right now. Even here, let's use more texture like this one. Okay, fine. Another things I can tell you is this one. I was added the AI terminal, this AI core terminal. This AI core terminal, I have been changed the real-time AI animation graph scripting. Hey, hello. But this command was not understandable. Let's show you. As you see, this is how the AI is really generating. But yes, hello, how are you? This is the internal of the game engine, but I am writing any words I am showing to him. Let's back. Let's close this our AI terminal. This let's put here. Okay, let's back to our 3D engine. So let's go to the sun control. As you see, the sun goes to the night scene. So let me show you how can you control this sun night scene. You can change the directions of the sun. As you see, this was already changed the directions of the sun. I'm sorry if there is the barriers of energy, but no problem. Let's continue. But as you see, the model is still black. You can change the width. Suppose, as you see, the model was changed. But even you can change this sun writing color. You see, the writing was big there. You can increase here. As you see, the lighting was too much white color. No, let's back here to be just like the default color. Let's use this default color. Another thing that was added is I have been added the sun position. You can change the positions of the sun. As you see, you can change the positions of the sun, position X, position Y, and position Z. Let's close this Windows too. Another thing I can tell you for this game engine, for asset library, okay, let's make this commands you can for asset library as added here. Let's come to here and then make the asset showing. Let's go to the vegetations. So as you see, the asset was really to be like there is no faults here, but the next game code I will reprogram the image that can represent the icons of this asset. Let's import the country. As you see, Let's back to the model. Let's close this asset library and then back to here. Let's hide here, and so let's move this model in order to make this chair be visible. Let's use change to the posed. Yes. No. Let's come to here. Yes. Oh fuck. It was those too long distance, but no problem. Let's select this chair. You can even rotate this chair. I have been added. This is no. Let's select this chair. This one. Yes. You can use this chair to control the chair for any size you want, for any rotation is want, as you see. Another thing is this is the object properties I am using for this game engine. Yes. You can even decrease the size of the chair. You can even decrease the size of the chair for this game engine. This is the real-time game engine development. The game engine can boot a game. This software means can boot a game. That's engine. If you understand what the engine is, you can scale this chair using scale here for these buttons for this chair. I'm sorry, the GPU of the machine is really too go slowly. But bye. The minute was too much. The minute was few. You can do this engine even you. The minute was too much. Bye. For tomorrow, I will show you another animations engine, but this is a lot of more I was added for this engine scripting. This is 3D graphics engine, and so it is also the game engine real-time. Also, let's show you the third-person shooter camera. This is our third-person shooter camera. I was added here. Let's close this text library. As you see, there is third-person shooter was added here. Bye. Ciao.